Well, here we are. I don't know if you can see this, but my Christmas lights are finally up. The house is decorated. You can see the tree in there. Ain't no presents yet. I'm not getting anybody nothing. We'll come on around out here to the front of the house. See my neighbors across the street got their stuff going. We'll turn around here. I can't see what y'all can see through the camera, but anyway, we're pretty well set up here. Got the light post decorated. Stray cats out there in the backyard. And, well, you can see me in the house. And I'm sure you can see the light post because it's a 360 video. Little dog and fishing. Boy, me and my grandfather put that up on there. This is my mom's house when I was a little bitty kid. It's still there. And I'm an old man now. Anyway, we take a look at the house. Got these little laser light things out here. Anyway, you all can let me know what you think in the comments. I believe I'm gonna put some lights on the garage apartment up on the balcony upstairs. Other than that, y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you next time.